All right, let's solve this exponential equation. Okay, so we have in a bracket here as 3 raised to x and 9 raised to x. Okay, so we need to get something common here. Now we can get 3 raised to x, okay, from here. Yeah, we can get similar one here because 9 can be written as 3 squared. As simple as that. So I have 3. So I'll change the 9 to 3 to the power 2. Then I'll multiply the x, okay, minus 28 times 3 raised to x plus 9 equal to 0. All right, now in case we're given x raised to np, is the same as x raised to n all raised to p. So we can write this one as 3 times 3 raised to x all squared minus 28 times 3 raised to x plus 9 equals to 0. We have 3 raised to x in common, so we can take it out by representing it by a variable. So let y be that. Okay, so we have, let's substitute y here. So we have 3y, remember the power here, squared minus 28. So I'll multiply this side by y plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so this one is a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's see if we can use the method of factorization here. So I'll just multiply this one by the constant. So that will be 27. So let's find two numbers. When we multiply them to give us 27, but when we add to give us negative 28 here. So we know 27, then 1. So if I negate them, 20 minus 27 times minus 1 give us 27. Minus 27 plus minus 1 will give us minus 28. So I think we can use the factors as minus 27 and minus 1. Okay, so let's go. We have 3y squared. So minus 27y, I've taken this, and this one will be minus 1y. So that will be minus y. It means minus 27 minus 1 is minus 28 plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, now let's factorize something out here. You know, 3 can go into this, so let's take 3y out. So I will leave it y here. This 1 times y will be 3y squared. Okay, so minus 9, because 3y times 9 is minus 27y. Okay, so let's take negative 1 out here. So if I do that, we'll have it y minus 9 equal to 0. Now in going back, minus 1 times y is minus y. Minus 1 times minus 9 is plus 9. Okay, have y minus 9 and 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So we have this and that, then we have what is inside the bracket. So this one means that y minus 9 equal to 0 or 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So my y, by adding 9 to both sides, will give me 9 here, and this side will be 3y equals to 1. Therefore y is 1 on 3. Okay, so we have y equals 9, y equals to 1 on 3. But remember, we are after x, we are not after y. So let's focus. Okay, let's bring our attention here. So the first answer for y is 9. So let's do the substitution. 3 raised to x equals to 9. So this one is a typical exponential equation. All right, so let's change this one to 3 to the power 2. The idea is to get equal bases. So we have 3 here, 3 there. So my x is 2. So the first answer for x is 2. All right. Now let's go to the next one. All right. So the next one has to do with 3 raised x equals to 1 on 3. So we need to change this one. 1 on a is the same as a raised negative 1. So don't forget this property. So 3 raised to x is the same as 3 raised to negative 1. Therefore, x is the same as negative 1. So we have two answers for x. So x equals to negative 1 or x equals to 2. Okay, that's that. All right. So that's the solutions to this question. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this, and don't forget to smash on the like button. All right, so